Hello and welcome to the second grade team. I am Miss Joy.
Hi, I'm Miss Lavery.
Hi, Miss Gilbert.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Reinecke.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Guthridge.
All right, we are going to be sharing some slides with you today and giving you some great information. Okay, so yes, welcome to Long Creek Elementary. This is your virtual open house. Everything you see today on these slides, you will be able to access from the Long Creek Elementary website.
All right, so first off, I want to talk about our school hours here at Long Creek. We start at 7:30 a.m. to 3 p.m. We do start our instruction at 8 a.m., so it is super important that your child does get here at a proper time. They can unpack, relax, get some work done, as well as get that time in to eat their breakfast. So that is super important to say. If you want your child to have breakfast, please show up a little bit early. This way they are ready to go and learn at 8. Another really important thing that we need to learn about your child is transportation. So if you can please let us know how your child is getting home on the first day of school, or if it's permanent, sometimes they can change, whether it be car, bus, or after school program. So if you can let us know via email or Dojo, we would really appreciate that.
This is the first year that Long Creek is not doing uniforms. So if you'd like to pause the video, you can read about what is school appropriate and what is not school appropriate. Our school website also has a lot of information if you have any questions.
On the first day of school, your child will bring home a packet with several forms for you to fill out and sign. The blue emergency form, please just be aware that there is a front and a back side to that, and the back side has some important information about allergies and other health concerns. Please fill those out and get them back to us by the following Monday.
If you need to get a hold of your child's teacher, please email them.
Oh my God.
Bye.
See you on Wednesday.
See you Wednesday.
Yeah.